All right, we're gonna start with the cold stuff here because I gotta get it put in the fridge. These are the Tandoor style non-bites. You can have 4 for 5 points. I don't know if I wrote that down right. I have 4 for 5 points, 5 for 5, or 6 for 6. So I think these are 1 point apiece. I'll double check because I have a feeling that was my mistake. But these are really good. If you're anything like me, you love the carbs, and these are a great option. I was thinking I would take these and put some Laughing Cow cheese wedges on it and then top it with a cucumber. I just thought that sounded fantastic. Then we've got some of the Old Wisconsin turkey sausage sticks. These are the long ones. As you can see, they're just about as long as my hand. So I usually eat one of these, and that's for 2 points, and I break them in half. That way I feel like I'm getting more. Or you can have 2 for 5 points. Next, I've got some Members Mark lunch meat. Guys, this is one of my favorite lunch meats. This is a buffalo style chicken breast. You can have 3 slices for 1 point or 6 for 2 points. Can you guess which one I go for? And this is thicker cut too, so even if you're just having the 3 slices, that's still in decent size for a sandwich. Then Ava asked for the uncured Black Forest ham. She likes to put these on her grilled cheese sandwiches. They are 97% fat free. You can have 3 for 1 point or 5 for 2. Got myself a big old box of the Jim and Dean fully cooked turkey sausage patties. Did I sound country or just a little, you know, special? It's me. Anyways, I'm planning on doing these for breakfast this week. I'll show you what I'm going to add them to here in just a second. You can have 1 for 2 points, 2 for 4, 3 for 6. And then I'm planning on adding these sausage patties to my Premier Protein pancakes. There are 15 grams per 3 pancakes, and 3 pancakes are 6 points. They come in little packages. You just pop them in the microwave. So I thought I could either make a sandwich with 2 of them and put a sausage patty in between and maybe add a slice of Velveeta cheese or even some ketchup. Yes, Chaos Jen likes ketchup on her sausage with pancakes. It's kind of like a McGriddle from McDonald's. So yeah, so that's what I was thinking I would try this week. Maybe some scrambled eggs on the side. Then the girls needed some boba. This is boba tea. We've got mango passion fruit green tea, and then this one is strawberry lemonade green tea, and it is 1 cup for 6 points. If you guys don't know what boba is, it's just like a juice drink, and it has like little pearls, they're about that big, full of more juice, and they kind of pop in your mouth when you drink them. It's pretty good. I like to sneak a sip every once in a while, but don't tell Weight Watchers, okay? Now these are something I totally forgot about. These are the chicken and cheese mini tacos. They've got white meat chicken, 2 different kinds of cheeses, and they're in a little corn tortilla. They are so good. Let me show you the size here. There you go. They're pretty decent sized. Pretty decent sized. The point values are great. You can have 4 of these for 5 points or 5 for 6. Just, yeah. I like these. I like to dip them in salsa, or they're really good with the fat-free black beans from Trader Joe's. So many options with these, and they're quick and easy. You can just toss them in the microwave, put them on a cookie sheet, put them in the oven, or even the air fryer works really good for these. Then Ava wanted some more Chobani flips, and I think Ariana might indulge in these a little bit too. We've got the s'mores flavor for 7 points. Then here we have the cookies and cream flavor for 8 points. Strawberry cheesecake flavor, this one is 7 points. And then we've got the key lime crumble, and this one is 9 points. They do have a fair amount of protein. I just checked the s'mores, and it had, I want to say, 8 grams of protein in it. So, I mean, if this is all I was going to eat, or if I was going to add like some 0-point eggs or something like that, I might do one of these for breakfast. But I don't really think that it's something that I want to spend my points on. Grabbed a few miscellaneous items here. This is a boneless, skinless chicken breast. This was on sale for $2.54 a pound, so I got this entire thing for $14.45. And I don't know how much I got because the sticker's covering it up, but that's okay. Not a big deal. I always go for the most expensive package because y'all know I feed a big family. Then we needed more grated Parmesan cheese, so I got this great big huge thing. And I've been on a canned chicken kick lately. I don't know how the Members Mark tastes, but I know the Costco one is awesome. So I picked this up, and this is 0 points. Okie dokie, got my produce here. We've got the Little Potato Company potatoes. Guys, these are so good. They're nice and creamy, a great option for potatoes. You can have 6 for 2 points or 9 for 3 points. I love pairing these with my meat dishes. They're so yummy. Got 2 bundles of bananas, and these were like $1.38, I believe. Great deal. Got some cuties. They look great. I don't see any green. You guys know I'm picky about my little oranges. I'm sorry. California mandarins, easy peel. We'll see. I feel like that's hit or miss. I got 2 packages of the snacking cucumbers. Myself and my kids love these, which is why I got 2, because my kids will go through a bag of these in a day. Now, granted, they know better. I always tell them what we get from the big grocery hauls or what we get from the bulk item stores need to last for 2 weeks because we're not going back. But I don't know. They don't always make it for 2 weeks. So I got 2 of these. Ariana was in the mood for some dried cranberries. These are kind of pointy, but not super terrible. You can have 1/4 of a cup for 4 points. And I was thinking, like I said, she'll eat these for snacks, but I was thinking it might be good to make some chicken salad and put a little bit in there. So we'll see how that goes. Next, I've got this vegetable medley from Taylor Farms. Taylor Farms is a company that makes all those super yummy chopped salads. But I just thought that this would be super convenient to throw on a cookie sheet and roast up for a side dish or something. Or you could even add a little bit of cheese to it. Lots of options here. So I grabbed a bag. Needed some more seedless grapes. So we've got the green seedless grapes. And then I needed more apples. Now these are new to me, I believe. I don't know that I've had them before, but I've seen lots of other YouTubers grab them. So I got some cosmic apples. And these were on sale. So these were actually the best price apples that they had there. We needed a few household supplies. We needed some more pads. The reason I'm showing you this is because I am going to tell you the total at the end of the haul. And so I want you to know how much we spent. We needed more dryer sheets. These are the Members Mark brand. They smell wonderful. My car smells like dryer sheets right now. And then we thought we would give the Members Mark fabric softener a try too. We got a couple boxes of snacks. These are for the kiddos. These are Pringles. We've got cheddar cheese, original, and then sour cream and onion. I'm not going to point these because I don't plan on eating them. I'm sure, I mean, they're small cups. They might not be 2 point heavy, but still, I'm not going to look because I don't want to eat them. And then I got these for myself. These are the garden veggie puffs. They are so good, and each bag is only 2 points. I've got sour cream and onion, white cheddar, and then my absolute favorite is barbecue. When I eat these, I definitely feel like I am cheating on my Weight Watchers plan, but I'm not. And then the last thing I got are these pantry bin organizers. It's a 6-piece set. I think it was like $25. And it's just got different size bins so I can organize stuff. It says pantry. I'm going to try these out in my fridge and see if this will help keep our refrigerator a little more organized.